national capital. Ahead of the Delhi Assembly polls, the Delhi police has taken action against allegations and counter-allegations of addition of fake voters in the Delhi Assembly polls. The Delhi police have arrested 4 people from Shaheen Bagh area who, through forged documents, were trying to register themselves as fake voters. The probe is underway to find out how many more people are involved in the case of fake voters' registration. Listen into Aam Aadmi Party's Sanjay Singh. This comes after the Aam Aadmi Party also alleged that the BJP is adding and even subtracting voters from the list of the Delhi Assembly polls. In fact, BJP made counter-allegations against the Aam Aadmi Party, claiming. Listen in to Sanjay Singh.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिल्ली के अंदर हमारे पूर्वांचल के भाइयों का वोट कटवा रही है, यूपी बिहार के लोगों का वोट कटवा रही है, वर्षों से दिल्ली में रहने वाले लोगों का वोट कटवा रही है और ये एक प्रकार का चुनावी घोटाला करके चुनाव को जीतना चाहते हैं। और जब मैंने उनको रंगे हाथों पकड़ा भारतीय जनता पार्टी को और एक एक नाम मैंने पढ़ के बताए तो उससे भारतीय जनता पार्टी बौखला गई और आपने देखा होगा कि उसके बाद पूरे दिल्ली में इन्होंने एक अभियान चला दिया नाम कटवाने का और इन्होंने कहा कि संजय सिंह को भी अब सबक सिखाना है। यह बहुत बोलता है, पूर्वांचलियों के हक में बोलता है, यूपी बिहार वालों के हक में बोलता है, इसको ही सबक सिखाओ पहले। तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि नई दिल्ली विधानसभा क्षेत्र में जहां के विधायक श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी हैं, वहां पर हमारी पत्नी अनीता सिंह जी का नाम कटवाने के लिए एप्लीकेशन दे दी और एक बार नहीं दी, 2 बार दे दी, 24 दिसंबर को और 26 दिसंबर को।
Also being joined by my colleague Riyanka, live from New Delhi. Riyanka, the Delhi police has taken action against the allegations, counter-allegations between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP over the fake voters being registered in the Delhi Assembly polls. In fact, 4 people have been nabbed from Shaheen Bagh. Tell me more.
Right, as we talk about the allegations and the counter-allegations from the side of the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party regarding addition and deletion of fake voters being done, there is a strict action that is taken again by the Delhi police who continue to nab these illegal migrants. What we are getting to know that around 4 persons from Shaheen Bagh area who were getting in through forged documents, were trying to register themselves as fake voters. They have been nabbed in one operation that has been conducted by the Delhi police. Also, this has come after the Delhi BJP had officially written to the Election Commission of India of how there was a sudden, spurt of fake voters who had come in. In fact, there were allegations from the side of the BJP that the Aam Aadmi Party is using this as a vote bank politics, where they are trying to include the names of these illegal migrants and the Rohingyas and the Bangladeshis in the voter list, which is now being strictly monitored by the Delhi police on the other hand. But we also saw a controversy coming in light where Sanjay Singh made an allegation that it was his wife's name that was being removed by the hands of the BJP. But there was also a very, very strong retort from the BJP side. Amit Malviya tweeting that there was an affidavit in the name of Anita Singh that she is registered under Sultanpur, which is in Uttar Pradesh, and when she is not in a voter list of the national capital, when she is not a resident, then there is no question of deleting her name from the voter list in the national capital. So this war of words is currently on ahead of the Delhi election, slated to happen early next year.
Right, Riyanka, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. In fact, Republic has exclusively gotten details of the 4 people who were nabbed, and my colleague Kriti is joining us live from the newsroom to get us more on that. Kriti, thanks for joining us on the broadcast. Tell us more about the 4 people who were nabbed by the Delhi police from Shaheen Bagh.
In fact, before I tell you that, I have accessed this document, the affidavit of the wife of Sanjay Singh. Now, this clearly exposes claims made by Sanjay Singh as per the BJP. Now, this affidavit, I would request the camera person to zoom in. It clearly shows the wife of Sanjay Singh is actually a registered voter in the Sultanpur constituency of UP. That clearly means that she is not a voter of Delhi, and the claims made by Sanjay Singh are now clearly exposed, because even if she is a voter of Delhi, she can't be a registered voter in 2 separate places. So it's a crime either way, and Sanjay Singh's claims stand no truth. There is no truth behind the claims that the Aam Aadmi Party MP is making over the fudging of the voter list, as he is alleging. We have the
Right. Thank you so much, Kriti. We will keep tracking this story.